am Katrina, and I'd like to welcome you to the Price is Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor and styling. Bathroom refreshes and makeovers, gardening and outdoor decor, cleaning and organizing. And did I say I get down in the kitchen? I love room makeovers and refreshes, DIYs, vlogs and shopping hauls, and seasonal decor. So come on and become a part of my YouTube family. It's easy, it's simple, it's free, and it's fun. All you have to do right now is click that subscription. Click on that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family.